All right, so I was just looking at some other coins, but let me go over to JASMY and let's talk about JASMY. So JASMY right now on, I'll start on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, if I zoom out a little bit, the 236 fib is still up there. We did make a lower low with the daily candle close. So the 236 fib is currently at 2.9. So we'll call it 3 cents. So that's still at 3 cents pretty much. The 618 is way up here. I think if you eventually get above the 618, which is at 5.9 cents, that will confirm another rally to 25 cents. But as of right now, the next target to the upside would be this resistance right here at 2.6 cents. If you get above that, then you'd be looking for move up to 3 cents pretty much. And like I said, if you fall below a penny and lose the penny support, it's going into oblivion. I don't think that happens unless Bitcoin loses 36,200. Otherwise, I just don't see us going any lower than a penny. I think we get a strong bouncer, and that's where a good point to buy would be if you guys are looking to buy, or if you want to be really safe, you wait till you get a move above 3 cents. Again, daily candle close above that. Let's look at the RSI and see how that's looking. The RSI is currently at 32 on the daily chart, so it's almost oversold, and the 3-day chart is oversold at 20.25. So I do think it's long overdue for a big pump. I just don't think that happens until you hit the next support at a penny. And even when you look at the 3-day chart, that is that's an indecision candle where you want to go. I think eventually we're going to go back down. The daily chart had a few green candles, and now you already have a red candle starting to form again. So I think a penny's on the table still, even with the small rally you guys had over the last few days. If I do go to the 1 hour chart, the 1 hour chart is showing signs of a reversal with the Ghanfians being more bullish. But I still think a penny is inevitable with where we are now, because if you go back to the daily chart, I think you didn't get rejected off of any fibs. You just made a lower high. So I think penny's on the table, and then I see you blasting out here. If you lose a penny, it's going to go to probably half a penny would be the next major target to the downside. With that being said, that's all I got. Short term, it doesn't look good, but I think long term, if you get a strong bounce above a penny and close a daily candle above the 236 fib, I think that confirms the low is in, and then I think the uptrend would start. I also think the sellers are getting exhausted, so I think penny is going to be the bottom. But that's just what I'm thinking. With that being said, that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate a like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next update.